Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be making Ankake Yakisoba. Ankake Yakisoba is a Japanese-style Chinese dish with a thick and savory sauce over the noodles. And the ingredients in the sauce is all up to you, but the common addition is thinly sliced pork belly, onion and carrot, and sometimes seafood like shrimps, and I love to add the quail egg and bean sprout. Let's get started. Let's start preparing the ingredients. Cut the carrot into strips and cut onion into thin slices along the grain. Cut broccoli into small sections and release in water and wash well. Wash bean sprout well and remove the skin if there are any left. To prepare the shrimp, remove the vein by sticking the skewer into the second joint from the tail right underneath the shell, and then pull out, and peel the shell off. Sprinkle a little bit of salt and rub well to make it clean. Rinse under the cold running water and set aside. Stack the pork slices and cut them into 3 cm wide strips. The preparation is done, let's get started cooking. Heat the frying pan over medium-high heat, add pork and stir fry. Add the onion and carrot when the color changes and continue to stir fry. Add the shrimp and broccoli and stir fry when the onions and carrots soften a little. Add quail eggs. When all the ingredients are evenly coated in the oil, add sake, chicken soup powder, and water and season with salt. When it comes to a boil, add bean sprout and simmer for approximately 1 minute. Once the bean sprouts start to soften, mix the potato starch thickener again, and while stirring the soup with a spatula, add the potato starch thickener to the soup and mix with a circular motion. Simmer until the sauce has thickened and then turn off the heat. The ankake sauce is ready. Now let's prepare the noodles. Today I'm using a thin spaghetti that requires 6 minutes to boil. Cook a little bit longer until fully cooked and then drain. Heat a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a separate frying pan placed over medium-high heat and spread the noodles evenly and cook over medium-high heat for a couple minutes. And then turn the pan to flip the noodles and cook the other side for a few minutes more. When both sides are crispy, slide them into the serving dish. Cover with ankake sauce. Drizzle sesame oil if you want, and it's pretty much done. Mix the noodles and sauce on the plate well, and it's ready to enjoy. And you can enjoy the chewy noodles and the crispy vegetables and the silky and smooth sauce. And if you can access to the deep-fried crispy noodles, that will be a special dish. Crispy noodles, and it absorbs the sauce and it changes the texture, and you can enjoy the both crisp and chewy texture at the same time. Because it has many ingredients, you can feel the complex umami from each ingredient. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. Enjoy my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And go to my website for more information. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!